So in this video, I'm going to show you how we added a really simple but really effective column on your physical journal page. So I'm going to open up Business Central here and we can check it out. So all I'm going to do is navigate to the physical inventory journal. So as many of you know, this is a page where you can calculate your inventory for certain locations or certain items and then figure out what the system calculated, and then based on actual counts or cycle counts out on the shop floor, you're able to enter in the physical inventory that was found. So all of that is a great feature. Business Central already had it. Perfect. So what we added here was this variance column. So this allows you to be able to see, well, what is the variance between what my system thought I had and what I actually counted? And what we really like about this is it's a simple way to maybe filter or export to Excel little recount sheets if your variance is too high. So if I look at my first line, I can see here that the system thought I had 31. Shop floor told me they actually found 32. The delta is going to be a positive adjustment of 1. And the variance is telling me that you found more than 3. It's 3%, more than what it thought you had. On this second line, let's say, for example, the system thinks I have 4. Maybe I only counted 2. This will result in a negative adjustment of 2, and I can see here that there's a 50% variance. So this is just the first piece of it, but what you can do here is you can then take a look, maybe export this to Excel. Maybe you only want to focus on certain items over a certain dollar value, but it does give you a starting point to look and say, are there a few items that maybe I should go out and just double check before I go ahead and post this to my system and commit it. So again, just a really nice visual indicator to be able to draw your attention to something that might seem a little bit odd. Let us know how we can help you with some of our great features by contacting us using the information you see here.